so that's the second time the camera's fallen. It must be just the dustiness of the car. I can feel my allergies starting to act up because of this, and my hands are starting to itch because of all this stuff. Looks like we've had a rat's nest in here. That's kind of gross. I still don't have electricity yet, so I can't vacuum anything out. So, and also, my camera's been shutting off, so I hope that it's been recording. But anyways, we're going to get back to it. Now, for the really scary part, I'm about to take these quarter panels off. So I don't know if I have the magic touch. I don't want to break them. I believe these are the original ones the car came with. There's one. There's two. So, looks like most of the little clamps popped out. There's a couple down here that didn't. So, there's a little damage, but I think we can clean these up and still reuse them. I would like to keep as much of the original stuff as possible. That may not be the case for everything. Oh, pardon me. Oh, this dust is getting to me. Looks like whenever they redid it, they just glued over the old. So we got 2 layers of carpet here. Whew. So, weight savings. And a little bit louder. Right, we're back. Sorry, I had to take a break, blow my nose and get some allergy medicine. All this dust is really messing with me. So we're going to get back to it, try and get all this carpet out, and then I think I might call it a day. I think that's all my allergies are going to let me do today before I go totally insane. Disappointing. All right. So, because this window rubber is so cracked and so old, that water would drain in, and we've got a serious rust problem back here. Look at that, it just disintegrates. Okay, so, oh, it's hazy because all the dust. All right, well, I know people can replace the floor pans in these cars. I do not know about that rear partial shelf. So, I'm going to call it a day, do a little bit of research, see what I can discover about that, get a trash can, get all that stuff cleaned up, get that mess out of there. So that's it for today. I hope you had fun watching me struggle and sweat and run out of breath. But it's been fun, again, starting starting the tear down again. Hopefully we'll get it all lined out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this channel with your buddies so they can make fun of me as I try to tear down this car. Until next time, take care everybody. Thanks for watching.